How to contact Grab customer support. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can contact your customer support on Grab. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. To contact Grab customer support, go ahead and then first launch Grab app. Tap the profile icon from the top right hand side. Scroll down and then tap on Help Center. Just wait until this page loads up. Tap on Chat to get help. Choose one of your recent activities for what you want to get help on, or you can go to other topics and select any option over here as to what issue you're having. By default, an AI assistant is going to get in touch, but you just have to select other options over here, and when you keep on selecting another option, then only a live agent is going to get in touch with you on this chat page. But that way you can contact Grab customer support. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.